everyone, my name is Maddy and I'm a Marine Mammal Specialist at Dolphin Quest Oahu. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite roles here and something that I'm very passionate about, enrichment. There are a lot of different ways we can incorporate enrichment into our animals' days. One of our guest favorites is coming on over to our enrichment cabinet and picking out their own toy. Let's check it out. As a marine mammal specialist, our job is to make every day really fun and different for our animals. And my role as enrichment coordinator would be to challenge our animals and our specialists in thinking outside the box or just creating novelty into our daily routine. My job would be a lot easier if there was one website I could go to and be able to find all of these durable, large enrichment devices for our animals. But there's not, so it really is something that we have to be creative about. Any of our new enrichment devices, we want to thoroughly look over, ensure that they're going to be able to withhold themselves with a 550-pound animal. Also, we want to make sure that they're what we call dolphin safe, so nothing they can entangle their bodies in, nothing that they'd easily be able to ingest. Our most recent addition to our enrichment repertoire is a device that makes bubble rings. Watching them interact with our bubble ring maker for the first time was really rewarding. The bubble rings is really cool because majority of their toys are brought into their lagoon and are something that they can pick up and move around, where bubble rings disappear within a matter of seconds. So they can chase them, they can pop them, they can just watch them. All of our dolphins have a different way of experiencing and enjoying our enrichment devices. Thanks for following me along today. If you liked watching our video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Time to play. Aloha!